Home opener for the Red Sox as they battle the undefeated Orioles. The final home opener for David Ortiz, who gives the Red Sox a 2-0 lead bottom one with the wall ball ribby single off Giovanni Gallardo. Red Sox build a 3-0 lead, but here come the Birds in the top of the third. Chris Davis, a 2-run single off David Price to make it 3-2. And the next batter, Mark Trumbo to right center and gone. A go-ahead 3-run shot. Baltimore has a 5-3 lead. We're now tied at 6 in the top of the ninth. 2 on and 2 down for Davis, facing Craig Kimbrell, and Crush sends that one to Rhode Island. His 8th go-ahead homer in the 9th inning or later since 2013. The most of any player in the majors in that span. 9-6 Birds. It's now 9-7 though, bottom 9. 2 runners aboard for David Ortiz, who represents the winning run. But there were no Big Papi heroics on this day. He grounds into the twin killing. And the Birds go on for the 9-7 win, remaining baseball's only undefeated team at 6-0. Following a 9-7 victory over the Red Sox, Mike Wright goes for Baltimore on Tuesday. He battles Clay Buchholz.